G'day Australia, Scott from Smart Kits Australia, and it's Anzac Day, 25th of April, and who could not want to spend the day wanting to build a better country than today? I say let's do it. Let's do it together, Australia. So I'm out here, been dawn service, that's been and gone. The rest of the day's a public holiday, and I'm not getting on the terps with the boys. I'm going to be building this frame up on this side of the house here, ready to put the insulated panel roofing over the top of this structure. And I've been dragging on with this project for so long now that I can't wait to get a roof on it. So this week, we are hopefully going to be in a position to be able to get the roof on next week, or possibly the week after, depends how the weather goes. They're forecasting some rain for Queensland. But it's Anzac Day. I'm not going to waste today. I'm going to spend today thinking about our Anzacs and all the boys that served and continue to serve. And as a veteran-owned business, that's really important to us. I just got pulled up, and my daughter says to me, "Hey Dad, what about the girls that serve as well?" Well, look, the reality is I'm sorry about that, guys. Thank you to the boys and the girls that serve, the men and the women of our Defence Forces. I came from an all-male unit when I was serving, so I guess I tended to overlook it because I think about the lads today. But thanks to the ladies, thanks to everyone, thanks to all those that have given everything of themselves for us, and we will always appreciate our freedom. And we will keep on building away at our Smart Kits double-story extension. What can you do with your Smart Kit, Australia?